Is your miter saw losing power, producing sparks, or making unusual noises during operation? A worn or damaged armature assembly could be the cause. Welcome to PartsMelange. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the armature assembly in your miter saw to keep it running like new. The armature assembly is located deep within the motor assembly of your saw. To access it, remove the belt cover on the side of the tool. The armature often fails due to electrical shorts or physical wear over time. If you notice sparks or smoke, the internal wiring may be burned out. A damaged brush often indicates a problem with your armature, which is why we recommend replacing the brushes and the armature assembly together to ensure a complete repair. In some cases, the bearings attached to the armature may also wear down, though they are typically sold separately. Before starting repairs, ensure your miter saw is unplugged and positioned on a stable work surface. First, use a T25 Torx bit to remove the belt cover. To remove the belt, loosen the 4 screws and the tensioner screw located at the back of the assembly. Next, switch to a T20 Torx bit to remove the motor end cap and carefully remove the brushes from their holders. To reach the armature, remove the 4 screws securing the motor assembly. Gently pull the armature out of the housing. When handling the armature, be careful with the fan. It is not sold separately, and if it breaks, you will have to replace the entire armature unit again. To install the new part, slide the new armature assembly into the motor housing. Reinstall the brushes and secure the motor end cap. Loop the belt back over the drive, then tighten the tensioner screw and the 4 surrounding screws. Finally, replace the belt cover and secure it with its Torx screw. Replacing a burned-out armature can bring your old saw back to life. Check the link in the description to find the correct armature assembly for your miter saw. For genuine replacement parts and repair essentials, visit PartsMelange.ca. Subscribe to our channel for more repair guides, tool maintenance tips, and product support. Thanks for watching.